Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Lego Airbus building set on the market, the DAHONPA Boeing 787 airplane building blocks set. This impressive kit offers 1350 pieces, designed to capture the intricate details of the Boeing 787 aircraft, making it a perfect challenge for both kids and adults alike. The set is made from high-quality ABS plastic, which ensures durability and a satisfying building experience. The blocks snap together firmly, providing stability for your finished model. Whether you're a hobbyist or looking for a thoughtful gift, this set encourages creativity, patience, and teamwork as you work through the complex assembly process. Recommended for ages 12 and up, the DAHONPA Boeing 787 set is more than just a toy. It's an engaging project that can take 6 or more hours to complete, providing hours of immersive play and educational value. It's designed to develop fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and problem-solving abilities. What really stands out about this set is its attention to detail. The model captures the sleek design and iconic features of the Boeing 787, from its aerodynamic wings to the detailed cockpit and passenger windows. This level of realism makes it a great display piece once completed. Another great aspect is the inclusive approach to missing pieces. If you ever find that some blocks are missing, the manufacturer offers direct support to ship replacements, ensuring your build is uninterrupted and complete. This set also comes with minifigures such as city flight attendants, adding an element of imaginative play and bringing the airplane to life beyond just the physical structure. Whether you're a collector, an aviation enthusiast, or simply love building block sets, the DAHONPA Boeing 787 offers a rich and rewarding experience. It's suitable for holiday gifts, birthdays, or just a fun weekend project. So if you're looking for a detailed, durable, and captivating airplane building set, this Boeing 787 by DAHONPA is one of the best options out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the coolest products. See you in the next video.